For every grain of sand on a beach, there's a story. A story of where it came from. Each and every one was made by natural forces. There are black sands spewed out by volcanoes. There are sands ground from rocks over millions of years. There are even sands made from shells. But this white coral sand is special, and its story takes us underwater. It's all to do with an industrious fish and its amazing appetite. Meet the parrotfish. When it's time for dinner, it becomes a living sand factory. Along the northeastern coast of Australia lies the largest coral formation on the planet, the Great Barrier Reef. The reef stretches for 2,300 kilometres and includes thousands of sand cays and islands. Lizard Island, towards the north of the Great Barrier, is a granite island encircled by a fringing reef of coral. Its huge diversity of corals and marine life makes it an important centre for coral reef research. It's famous for its brilliant white beaches and, of course, its lizards. The explorer Captain Cook named the island after them. This is a Gould's sand goanna, a type of monitor lizard. They rule the roost here on Lizard Island. Lizards are everywhere. Goannas have fought battles here for the last 9,000 years, probably longer. Scientists think that their ancestors were mainlanders who became trapped here when the sea rose, separating the island from Australia.